Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is inheritance. In inheritance, there are two classes. First is base class, or you can say parent class, and then second, we create a new class is known as derived class or child class. Child class acquires all the properties of its parent class as well as it has its own properties also. So we can say derived class is the specialized class for the base class. Its main advantage is reusability. Next is types of inheritance. There are five types of inheritance. First, single inheritance. Second, multiple inheritance. Third, hierarchical inheritance. Fourth, multi-level inheritance. And last is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is also known as virtual inheritance. Now, first is single inheritance. In single inheritance, there are only one base class and one derived class, and derived class acquires all properties of its base class as well as it has its own properties also. So its syntax is class base class, left parenthesis, body of base class, right parenthesis, and then we can derive a derived class derived class colon visibility mode base class, left parenthesis, body of derived class, and then right parenthesis. For example, base class is AA, so class AA, left parenthesis, body of base class, and then right parenthesis, and then body of derived class means class BB colon visibility mode, that is public, and name of base class, that is AA. So class BB colon public AA, left braces, then body of derived class, and then its right braces. Second is multiple inheritance. In this type of inheritance, there are only one derived class inherits properties of one or more than one its base class. So its syntax is class derived class colon visibility mode base class comma second base class with visibility mode, left parenthesis, then we can define its body, and then its right parenthesis. For example, suppose there are two base classes like student 1 and student 2, and only one derived class like student 3. Then its syntax is class student 3 means name of derived class colon visibility mode means public, student 1, that is first base class, comma visibility mode means public, and then name of second base class, that is student 2, then left braces, and we can define the body of derived class, and then right braces. Next is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there are multiple derived classes uh, like derived class 1, derived class 2nd, and derived class 3rd. Multiple inheritances inherits all properties of its base class, that is single based class. So this type of inheritance look like as a tree structure. In this example, first derived class inherits its base class, and then second derived class is also inherits all properties of its base class, and then third derived class is also inherits all properties of its base class. Next is multi-level inheritance. In this type of inheritance, there is a base class, and then there is a first derived class and second derived class. First derived class inherits all properties of its base class, and second derived class inherits all properties of its first derived class. Uh, first derived class acts as a base class at the point of view of derived class. So, first derived class is also known as intermediate class. Uh, with the help of this diagram, intermediate class inherit all properties of its base class, and derived class inherits all properties of its intermediate class and as well as its base class. Now, last type of inheritance is hybrid inheritance, or you can say virtual inheritance. Uh, in this type of inheritance, we can say a combination of two inheritances like multi-level and multiple inheritances. With this example, base class, intermediate class and derived class. So there are two types of inheritances, combination of two types of inheritances. First, multi-level inheritances. For example, base class first, intermediate class and then derived class. This is known as multi-level inheritance, in which uh, one base class and second intermediate class and last is derived class. And then second type of inheritance is multiple inheritances. For example, if we remove the base class first in this example, then remaining figure is intermediate class and base class second and derived class. This is known as multiple inheritances because derived class inherits all properties of intermediate class as well as base class second. This is the overall idea about inheritances. Thank you.